got Black Mountain and all those, and Asheville, they're probably looking at boil water another month. And that's a big step. And I think I pulled a total of 12 bacteria samples, which all of them come back good. And all of our wells were good, and we've been using all the wells except for well number 9. We had no power because it was tied in with the sewer plant. Well, as of last week, we can start bringing well 9 online if needed. But the main hiccup in everything is we lost a 10-inch line over on Westerman and Salisbury that runs parallel. Used to be in the road, which is now in Mill Creek, and then it crossed over, and we were having to feed through a 6-inch water line versus the 10-inch. And some of the customers that used to have 40-pound pressure have 15 or 10. And we really need to address this 10-inch line and get it back in service and get the fire protection and everybody's water back up to where it needs to be. And that's it. I know y'all, somebody has got plenty of questions, and water can be very technical. If you want to meet me afterwards, or
I just have one for all. Is there other testing for contaminants or just for bacteria?
just right now, the state is just making us do the standard bacteria sample.
On that same note, is there a place that any of the people on this water source can go to look at those test results themselves?
We have them in town hall
Okay.
of the ones that I pulled.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
How many livable homes right now have the lower water pressure?
Probably 20, which is not bad. We could be in a whole lot worse shape than we are, and I did actually go in them, and they let me come in the house, and there is enough to barely take a shower, which means a lot, so.
What about interruptions to the service? Like, I know that there will be some interruptions,
They-
but how will that work for people? Will we be notified?
Yes, when our major next interruption will be trying to get contractors in here and get started on that 10-inch line, which is gonna take several days for parts, material, and several days to install it. And then, when we get that section in, I'll have to super chlorinate it, pull a sample off of that line. Then it'll probably affect some of just the downtown area. Like Town Hall, we don't even have water because we're on that water line, so.
Is there plans to warn the businesses and people
Yes,
that are,
yeah, we'll give everybody a start time and real close to where, and that's the thing about the samples. Once I take the samples, I have to take them to Asheville, and they have to stay in the incubator for 24 hours. So it's usually 2 or 3 days and we'll notify everybody when we start that. Then we'll have to do a boil water, and hopefully we can confine this boil water just to the central location.
where can they find that? Where are they, is this gonna be like
We'll
delivered
probably,
directly to them, or are we like
uh,
expected to go look somewhere for this information?
we can probably do the Facebook
Yeah.
and
We'll have
if,
some message boards still in town.
if they're still in town, the message boards, we can have that information
So
on. the
message board at town hall and then town hall's Facebook?
Yes,
And the message boards that
The
you
big
see in
orange
the
signs
video.
or-
Yeah.
And we'll put it
Yeah,
on the
there's
town's
phones.
website. It'll be on the
Okay,
town's
on the town's
website.
website, okay.
but like I say again, it has been a team effort to get, staff, all the people from the other counties. You know, Jacksonville, the town of Jacksonville, they come in and laid 810 foot of water line up in the Camp Greer area in 2 days. And I had a price on that job of $27,000. Just a guesstimate from a contractor, and I bought $4,500 worth of materials, and that's what we got the line put in for, plus some other oddball stuff. But all the free traded out help from the other counties, made a great impact.
Amazing.
Like I say, it has been a team effort, and all the board members, all the employees for the town, you know, our spouses come and work the week, cause they, I mean, it, like I say, it was something special for this little town, the way it pulled together.